Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn top 5 ways to say the word now. Before proceeding further, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button.
Hello, I'm Sandy. Do you want to speak English fluently without repeating the same words? If yes, stay with me throughout the video.
In this video, we are going to learn different ways to say the word now. You often tend to repeat the now word very frequently. So I will show you different ways to say the same word now. Let's look at the first one. The first one is right away. Instead of saying I will come over right now, you can say I will come over right away. You can replace the now word with the word away. I will come over right away. So from now, whenever you want to say right now, you have to replace it with right away. I will come over right away at your house. The next on our list is the word immediately. Whenever you want to say that I'll call the police right now, you can replace it with immediately. Call the police immediately. Let's look at the third one. The third one is in a jiffy. If you say that you will do something in a jiffy, means you'll do it very soon or very quickly. For example, I'll do my homework in a jiffy, means you'll do it quickly just now. The next one is the word instantly. I'll give you one example. The microwave heats up the food instantly, means in a wink, very rapidly or speedily. Last but not the least one is this minute. I'm very busy. I can't call you this minute. Means I just can't call you now. I'll call you later. Thank you for sticking by till the end. If you like the video, make sure you follow us on all the social media. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from Star Kids Learning.